The nightingale sings each morning, her sweet song weaved in midnight's thread. 'Neath her veil, a kingdom calling. If I could leave this grassy bed, but when I told you I was afraid to fall, really I was afraid to fly at all. Deep in trial, bound in burning, her restless charms are broken through, but between cheap denial and reckless yearning to run from harm was all I knew. And so when I told you I was afraid to fall, really I was afraid to fly. When I told you I was afraid to fall, really I was afraid to fly. We fly, we fall from the summer's golden rays to the murky ocean floor. Sometimes there's some cause we're calling for, but mostly it seems we're chasing dreams to the shore. Can't stand the leaving. So when I told you I was afraid to fall, really I was afraid to fly. When I told you I was afraid to fall, really I was afraid